They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on this knotless braids, the medium size and the mid back. So first I already made my rough draft part, and I just applied my edge control on the same line. And I'm going to go ahead and take my my rat tail comb, and just to make sure that the parts are cleaner and yeah, just cleaner and like more visible. But first I'm going to apply my my magnetic wristband, because I don't want to have to keep going back and forth to the edge control container. And also don't forget to apply your edge control at the top and also the bottom, you know, back and front, whatever. You saw what I just did. Yeah, so right now I'm just making my clean parts. I do have the link to the rat tail comb. I have it in different sizes, and I also have the magnetic wristband and also the edge control that I use for this hairstyle. So this part of the braids usually takes the longest, because again, you need to just make your lines. And when it comes to me, I'm not like super great at lines, so that's why I take so much time with this. But at the same time, I still end up finishing the hair like, you know, way before time. Maybe like for example, this type probably only took me about 4 hours and 45 minutes. So let's just say 5 hours max. But yeah, so imagine if I don't have to keep like going back to my lines and combing through, making sure that we're good to go and all that good stuff. So I used I've forgotten the hair that I used. Let me see. I really don't know, but I'll just say use any expression braiding hair in like, I want to say like 44 inches, 42 inches. Like for the mid back, you probably only need about 24 max, but I'll just say 22 would give you a perfect mid back. And yeah, so now I already did like 3 braids, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding now. Sometimes you're gonna braid twice or one time, but usually the first line I end up just braiding once, because again, it's just like so thin, and I just, it just works better for me that way. And you're gonna start fitting the hair from like small to large, and that way it gives you a nice transition from like, the knotless and then medium size that you're looking for. It just makes it look so nice and very, 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 very natural. And I learned that trick like not recently, but I'm just beginning to apply it more in like all my braids. Depending on how you prep the braids that you're going to end up inserting, you might end up inserting about 4 to 5 braids for a medium size. And yeah, so when I was done, I just dipped it in hot water and used the hair mousse, use the hair oil that you have for your clients. And yeah, we're good to go. I've done this tutorial like multiple times, so I just don't want to say too much. But you guys can see what I do, and hopefully you guys like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me feel my wine. Aye. Mother one say she give me for me, you say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pommy yard, say me pommy yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Mother one say she give me for me, you say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know.